When your Canon printer gives you a warning that the ink cartridge is empty, it's time to order new cartridges to prepare for replacement. But you may be able to wait a while longer before replacing it. There's probably still a fair amount of ink left in there. You should be able to wait a while longer, but at some point, you won't have other choices to replace it. So just follow the on-screen instruction and press next each time you complete a step. Take the time to read the instructions, they may vary from a printer to another. Removing the empty cartridge is pretty simple. Just pick it up and that's it. Make sure you replace the cartridge with the same model, it's written on top of it. But I recommend you to take the version with an H at the end because it contains more ink and is much cheaper for the quantity. And since it's powder, you shouldn't have any drying problem over time. You can order your cartridges using the link in the description, and if you do it, thank you, I might receive a commission. Inside the box, your cartridge is sealed in a plastic container. Before opening it, take the time to stir everything well about a minute. This is something you can try doing once in a while if you have trouble printing or if you're not using your printer for a very long period of time. But take advantage to do it now as everything is sealed and you don't risk spilling ink everywhere. Once the package is open, simply put the cartridge back in place and move on to the next one if needed. Always make sure you put the right color in the right place. Don't forget to steer, and do I really need to explain the next two? That's what I thought. Close the drawer and then the door and press next or finish on the screen. The next process may take a few minutes. Wait until your printer is done making noise and you can finally test the printer. Well, it wasn't more complicated than that.
So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance, take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!